So from now on, what I need to call you is Sir Knight Do-Gooder, right? Like that's gonna be my nickname for you, right? Sir Knight Do-Gooder. In closing of this podcast, I usually like to give whoever I'm interviewing an opportunity to become the host of the Boston Cage podcast. So the floor is yours. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I'd love to know what you think. I mean, you have a wealth of experience. You've interviewed hundreds of entrepreneurs. You have your own experience running your own businesses. What is your one piece of advice that you would give entrepreneurs if you could kind of look back here, knowing what you know today?
From my personal experience, it goes back to your point that you said in the middle of this podcast is about obviously you're part of a circle, and part of that circle is going to kind of deem your wealth, right? So if you're looking for wealth management, you're looking for wealth growing, you have to circle yourself with like-minded people, but people that can stretch your vision. And you can do that by going to networking. You can do that by asking for mentors, like you said. But for me, what I realized is that having a podcast gives you an opportunity to have an abundance of mentors, have an abundance of viewpoints, have an abundance of things. So if you're not thinking about creating a platform that allows you to also educate yourself and help others at the same time, you're doing yourself a disservice.